In this video, I'll walk you through how to query data using Salesforce Inspector in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Salesforce Inspector Reloaded is a popular Chrome extension used by admins and developers to run quick SQL queries directly from the browser. But remember, it's a third-party tool and not officially developed by Salesforce, so always review permissions and follow your company's security policies before installing. After adding it from the Chrome Web Store and confirming access, open your salesforce.org and click the extension icon. Go to Data Export, where you can write a SQL query like select name from account limit 10 to test results. Start with a limit clause to avoid pulling excessive data, and make sure field names and object API names are correct. Use filters to narrow results and preview before exporting. Always be cautious with sensitive data and production environments. Subscribe for more practical Salesforce tutorials.